Welcome to Resolutions. Today we are going to start with tuples. So tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable, and it is one of four built-in data types in Python, which is used to store collections of data. The other three are list, set, and dictionary, all with different qualities and usage. For list, check out my other playlist on Resolutions channel. Now next, tuples are returned with round brackets. As we can see here, I have declared a tuple here. The variable name is my tuple, and we have declared few elements in it. Now, tuple items are ordered, unchangeable, and allow duplicate values. And tuple items are indexed. So the first index here, which is ABC, it's 0. And the second item is 1. So always remember that the indexing in Python starts with 0. Now, what do we mean when we say ordered? So when we say that tuples are ordered, it means that the items have defined order and the orders will not change. Second is we cannot change, add, or remove items after the tuple has been created. Unlike list, you can check my playlist. We can add or remove item in list, but that is not possible in tuples. And since tuples are indexed, they can have the same value, which is all right. Now we are just going to print the length of this tuple and the type, uh, like the type class of this data type. So first we are going to print length. So if you can also check out my video on list. We have used length, which is an inbuilt method in Python, to print the length of the data type. Print my tuple. So here we can see the length of my tuple is 6. And next we can print the type. So we will see which class this belongs to. So here we can see this belongs to the tuple class. So this is a small basic introduction of tuple. Let me know in comments how did you like the introduction, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.